guys on your honeymoon?
Yeah.
You are?
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. I'm like, yeah!
Goodness gracious. Oh, there are. Three honeymooners. Three honeymooners. Okay.
That's so fast. I love it.
Did you guys get married July 11th?
Yeah.
Oh
Really?
my God.
You guys too?
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
We got married July 12th.
Oh, wow.
We needed a day in between.
Yeah.
So did we. It was a long flight.
Yeah, we went back and we laid in bed.
Oh yeah.
And I got her Facebook and why are you on it? Relaxing.
Well, congratulations to you.
There's a couple from Canada, aren't you?
No, we're from Washington.
Up from Washington State.
No, me and my mom are
Hey!
Oh, from Canada, yeah.
Dang it, I'm so close.